Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss what Copilot is in Dynamics 365 and how you can turn Copilot on and off in the Sales Hub application. First, let you understand what Copilot is. Copilot for Dynamics 365 is an AI-powered assistant that helps business teams like sales, customer support, finance, marketing, and supply chain work faster and more efficiently. It acts like a smart helper inside Dynamics 365, using AI to understand your data and give quick answer. This helps teams reduce manual work and make better decisions. It provides a chatbot-based interface where users can get quick summaries for sales, leads, and opportunities. It also helps user prepare for meeting easily. You can also view account-related updates and insight in just a few seconds. Copilot can automatically generate email content and record summarize, saving a lot of time. It also integrates smoothly with Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Teams, making daily work and communication much easier. Now let's move to our system. This is the Sales Hub application, and on the right hand side, you can see the Copilot is currently visible. Now I will explain how you can turn Copilot on and off. First, change area to the app setting. Under the general setting, click on Copilot. Under all apps, you can select a global setting that applies to all sales apps. The default option applies the system default behavior. You can also override the global setting at the app level. For example, if you want Copilot to be enabled only for the Sales Hub app, you can set all apps to off. Then under the individual apps, turn on Copilot only for the Sales Hub app. The initial setting depends on both organization level and app level configuration. For example, if the Power Platform admin turns Copilot on at the organization level, but the Power App admin turn it off for the Sales Hub app, then Copilot will be off for the Sales Hub app and on for all other sales apps. In my case, I want to turn off Copilot only for the Sales Hub application. So I select off from here, then click on continue and then save the changes. So you can see your changes have been saved. So firstly, refresh it. As you can see, Copilot is no longer visible because it has been turned off for the Sales Hub app. So in this video, we covered what Copilot is in Dynamics 365 and how to turn Copilot on and off in the Sales Hub application. Thanks for watching.